So start the class for today. Exercise 7E, na? And 7E related to that chapters is profit and loss. So first we write the formula of this chapter. You know that profit equal to SP minus CP. Why? When selling price is more than cost price, so that is called profit. And then next case is loss. Loss when cost price is more than selling price, so that is called loss. So loss equal to CP minus SP. First, we find the profit percent or loss percent. So what is the formula of the profit percent? Profit and loss percent always calculated on cost price. So now the formula of the profit percent, profit by cost price CP into 100. Now selling price write in the short form SP and cost price we write in the short form CP. So profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So both are find the percentage of profit and loss percent is always calculated on the cost price. Now if we profit with percent will be given and cost price will be given, how can we find the selling price? So the next formula is when profit percent and SP be given. So what is the formula of cost price? प्रॉफिट परसेंट अगर दिया हो और सेलिंग प्राइस दिया गया हो तो आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालना है, तो वहां पर कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे? कॉस्ट प्राइस इक्वल टू 100 बाय 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट इनटू एसपी, when loss percent will be given profit percent and loss percent, profit or loss percent. So cost price equal to, so 100 by, in the case of profit 100 plus profit, in case of loss 100 minus loss, so 100 minus loss into SP. So this is the formula for what? When profit percent and selling price will be given, find the cost price. When loss percent will be given and selling price will be given, find the cost price. So this is the formula of this equation. Now the next is how can we find the selling price when profit percent or loss percent be given and CP also be given. अगर प्रॉफिट और लॉस परसेंट दिया जाए और कॉस्ट प्राइस दे दिया जाए, आपको फाइंड करना है सेलिंग प्राइस, तब वहां पर क्या होगा फॉर्मूला? तो SP इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 100 इन केस ऑफ प्रॉफिट परसेंट 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट बाय 100 इनटू CP, and in the case of the loss 100 minus loss percent by 100, loss percent, profit percent is in right form the divided by 100, and in the loss percent we write in the form of 100. So 100 minus loss by 100 into CP. So this is the formula for this questions. Now the next is, if we given profit, you know that profit equal to SP minus CP. How can, So the question is given selling price, if the selling price is rupees 650 and cost price is equal to 700. So what is profit or loss? Loss. Why? Because in this case cost price is more than selling price. So when cost price is more than selling price, that is called loss. So we write some questions. Now the first question is cost price is equal to rupees 700 and selling price is equal to rupees 650. Find the profit or loss. You know that if cost price is more than selling price, so that is called loss, and loss equal to CP minus SP. Okay. Another question also write when cost price is given and profit is given. Cost price is equal to 500, profit equal to rupees 25. So find the profit or loss percent. Profit or loss percent, and also find the SP. So first you find the profit percent. You know that profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. Now profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. So now profit equal to 25, cost price is equal to 500 into 100. So what is profit percent? 5%. One more question, find the selling price. So what is the formula of selling price? If profit will be given, cost price also the given, find the selling price. You know that profit equal to SP minus CP. Now SP is equal to profit plus cost price. So profit equal to what? 25 plus 500. The answer is 525. Okay, now the next question is question number 2. Kanchan bought a 2-in-1 set for rupees 2000 and sold it for rupees 1950. Cost price of 2-in-1 set. Question number 2. Cost price of 2-in-1 set is equal to rupees 2000 and selling price is given 1950. What is profit or loss? Loss. Why? Because cost price is more than selling price. So 2000 minus 1950. What is your answer? What? Okay, 50. So you find the loss percent. Loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100. Cost price is given can we apply that formula of profit percent and loss percent will be given and cost price will be given? How can we find the selling price? So the question number 3 is in that exercise 7E. The third question is, by selling an article for rupees 9,900 and Sasank gains 10%, find his cost price. So cost price will be given what? Sorry, selling price. Question number 3, selling price of an article is equal to rupees 9,900 and gains means gain also we call profit percent. Gain percent what given? 10%. So selling price given, gain and profit percent is also given. Find the cost price. So what is the formula of the cost price? When selling price and profit percent will be given, 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. So 100 by 100 plus profit what? 100 plus 10 into SP what given? 9,900. And reduce these fractions what? So the answer is 9,000. This is the answer, no? Question number 4. Rest all these questions same as you could solve. Question number 4. Now the question number 4 is, a bookseller sold 200 copies of books at a profit of 20%. So selling price of copies what? 200 copies, not price will be given. A bookseller sold 200. So we write now the statement. A bookseller sold how many copies? 200 copies. Okay, now the question is, a bookseller sold 200 copies of books at a profit of 20%. If a book cost him rupees 70, find the total selling price of the book. So the cost of the books is what? 70. So now bookseller sold 200 copies. So first you find the cost price. How can you find the cost price? 70. Cost price of a book what? Why 70?
70 into 200.
So what is the cost price? Total cost price?
14,000.
70 into 200. So now answer is what?
14,000.
14,000. 14,000 is the cost. Cost price of what? Which book? How many books? 200 books. Yes. So sell and the profit percent is given. What?
20%.
20%. Now find the selling price. So selling price of a book is equal to what? 100 plus 20. Profit percent by 100. You know that the
सिर्फ